gap cam tonight.
Well, it's like it used to be. It just fine.
This ain't your class.
Did you turn it down at least?
I can. I mean, it's got a dial. I can turn
He's
it.
like, I can't, but I'm not.
I can't.
He's like, I'm not.
He's gonna leave everybody.
Bro, no, that's so much.
Yeah, they definitely deep tonight. Be a lot of cars racing. My buddy car right here, Pro Charles Mustang 10-speed. He just got his setup done. It ain't dialed in all the way yet. What the fuck? This is Gino's CTSV. He just got out of Legendary. Shit's fat. He's got some injector issues, so he ain't really being able to run tonight. But I'm excited to see this car run in the future for sure. Where's the run at, bro?
I don't know. I can't find him.
Let's go see what's up.
I see a couple Camaros.
What's going on? GT 500 dipping out. I'll show you where he's at.
You want some footage?
I don't know where he's at. You see that ass?
Damn.
He showed the whole ass, bro. Yeah, he showed the whole ass.
Oh my god. No, he did
You
not.
should put a Boys Gone Wild tag over his ass.
That's funny.
Definitely sensitive. That.
I can believe you actually.
Big Hell Kitty. Oh, that's on that Porsche's racing. I don't know what he doing. He was already had his shit started up ready to go. Got Roy's old Camaro. Yes, sir. Nitrous Camaro.
Got Corbin's car.
Corbin's. Big old. Is this a centrifugal? Is that, I'm pretty sure I say. Is this what this is?
Centrifugal supercharger.
Yeah.
Pro Charger style.
Yeah. Big blow off valve. You know, we got the little turbo trucks hanging out over there. Yeah. Got that 88 mil on the old Supra. So these are Mark 1s, is that what it is? Is that how you say?
Mark 2.
Mark 2, is this what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mark 2 or 3.
I thought it was Mark 1.
No.
I thought it was Mark 1. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't really know my Supras like that. I apologize. You see the big meaties on the back? Big chunk of nuggets.
My race master took his hat off.
All the race cars pulling in. Gino's shit. That Nova. Big Nova action. Thing's sick. Super clean ride. Oh yeah. Got that TA, man. That motherfucking ass. Hellcat with the hood on. God damn. God, got that thing, boy. ZR1. Nasty C7 ZR1, man. This thing is fucking gorgeous, bro. Oh yeah. This one of my dreams, man. Little charger 16 thing. Man, come on, my boy. Talk to him. See here, this thing?
Right there. In the port deck, supercharger. You holler EFI.
Make the roof
And a little bit of nitrous. Motherfucker go from skiing and yin to hooking and bucking.
Got a whole lot of cars coming in tonight, y'all. Basically like a pre-summer meet type shit. Yeah. Pro Charge Grand Sport. Like that. Yeah. Get that big Z01, man. Yeah. Ooh, company better fall down on these damn bumps and shit, man. Alright, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Well, actually, you know what? You might be able to squeeze between beside that red zone one. Hold on, let me check. Man.
So, you know, we got all the Z01s out here tonight. Big TA action, man. Got that turbo truck. Sheesh. All right, y'all, I'm gonna back up. I ain't got 2 cameras tonight. I apologize, but we just gonna back up and get them right off the line. Get the fuck out of here. All right, y'all, we got the Audi RS3 versus I think it's a C6 Z06 and a C7 Grand Sport up front. Should be pretty nice. I think the C7 has a few bolt-ons on E85, and then the Z06, it's cammed out. I don't really know the whole setup on the car, but either way, it should be cool, man. Just stay behind me. There's not a third lane. As you guys can see, the C6Z in front of us and that C7 are hauling ass. But I think if we get lined up neck to neck and jump all at the same time, man, I think it's gonna be some good runs. I ain't gonna lie. I think it should be pretty good. I'm afraid one of them I think they might pull a little bit off the jump. Yeah. Off the jump, I think they're gonna pull, bruh. But I still think that it's gonna be a good run. You know what I'm saying? So that's good for content, my boy. Yeah. Hell yeah. What's another business? Little pop action. God, yeah. Big Audi shit. Alright. We'll see what happens.
On your count. All right. 1, 2, 3.
That bitch was moving. But you was there. Yeah. I know you happy with the run though. It was Z06, bro. You was hanging with a C6Z. What?
Let's do one more. Yeah. What? Bet. Yeah. Bet. 45 or 40? 45.
talking about out here?
Yeah, we seen him earlier.
Oh, yeah.
What's all done to the car?
Heads, cam, long tip headers, and like holder.
Oh yeah.
93.
Oh, so this is Z06. I didn't even realize this is a fucking Z06.
Yeah, the power for it, man.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Bro, this was a good run with this one. This was a good run.
Damn, so C6Z and C7Z went head to head. That shit was lit.
Yeah.
Shit was dope.
And the Audi was in y'all's rear view. You're like, damn.
Oh,
Man, I like this. This is fucking nice and quiet out here.
Look at GT500.
I got people.
Sure. Dark as hell, but GT500. Jod over there going pee-pee. Damn, the camera high key picking up the clouds and shit. That kind of cool. Sure. Twinkle toes.
Twinkle toes
Sure. Big twinkle toes.
on this hoe.
You want to gap the GT500?
Fuck. That'll probably get me.
Alright. We gotta look for a run for you, big dog. Who you want to run, man?
It don't matter.
You don't know?
Let's do the Z06.
You want that Z06?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Damn, what's going on up here? Who is this? Who's this fast guy? Damn, the real fast guys are coming. Sure. Big fast guys. Uh-huh. Sure. More Z01 gang? Yeah, you cold, my boy?
Yeah.
You say you jumped in the whip?
Cold as fuck.
I'm about to get that bitch with you, bro. Alright, we got a 6th gen Camaro SS. It's about to race my boy Gerard, as y'all already know, in the RS3. Thing's on a full drag pack. I don't really know what the setup is on it, but... Oh, and the fucking Pro Charge 10 speed and the GT500 is about to run right now, too. I should have that footage in this. So yeah, what's the setup on the car, bro?
What is it?
What's the setup on the car, man?
It's just bolt-ons.
Full bolt-on?
Yeah, bolt-on, small cam, stick shift, makes like 520 wheel.
Sweet, sweet. It should be a pretty good run, man.
Yeah.
Excited to get it. Let's go, bro. All right, y'all. Here's the RS3. Let's get it. Hey, this should be good. He said 520 wheel. We'll see.
That's pretty comparable to this.
Yeah,
so.
we'll see what's going on. Exactly. This thing probably makes somewhere around that.
Yeah.
Somewhere in that range. Ooh, this should be good. This one's gonna be the best race of the night for sure, no doubt.
Ask him if he's warm and ready or if he needs to wait.
You good? You all good?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Yeah. All right, y'all. This one should be the best run of the night, man, for the RS3. I ain't even gonna lie. But we got some cool little footage tonight, man. I'm sorry we didn't get a lot more passenger ride-alongs in the cars and shit like that. But you know, we got more stuff coming along for the summer. This was really just a little pre-meet, you know, for the summer, man. It's kind of still a little chilly, but you know, the cars are running pretty good tonight. We haven't really seen a lot of people break like that, honestly. Like, not too bad, like nothing crazy. So, you know, I think we got a lot of cool ass content on the way, man. So y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna get this run in. Let me put my seatbelt on, man. This shit been beeping on me all night, ain't it?
Me too, though.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Here we go. About to get that shit in, man.
My car hiccuped so bad.
It hiccuped?
Yeah.
That thing is quick. Is your car good? Like everything, you feel like it's all good?
Let's get one more in.
All right.
was good, man.